EZCAM entered the market in 1982 as one of the first PC-based CAM systems and is dedicated to delivering a major release every year. We have been serving customers for over 4 decades. And over the years, our products have been developed by listening to our customers. We offer edit-free post-processors customized to match your machine's requirements. Here is an overview of our products and what they have to offer. EZ-Mill Pro, our most advanced 2 through 4 axis simultaneous programming and 5-axis indexing. There are over 14 3D toolpaths available. EZ-Mill, 2 through 4 axis simultaneous. There are 5 3D toolpaths available, not counting roughing operations. EZ-Mill Express, 2 through 3 axis programming. Like all milling products, there is more control in the background so you won't get frustrated. Surprisingly enough, EZ-Mill Express offers 3D toolpath options at an affordable price. EZ-Turn. Its main function over the Turn Express is its live tooling and multi-axis multi-spindle support. EZ-Turn Express supports all 2-axis turning. There are wizards for roughing and finishing. There is also an option for can cycle output in the G-code. EDM, 2 and 4-axis wire machining. We have die recognition, hole recognition, a punch wizard, automatic XYUV wire paths, and a die wizard providing many taper and land options. FilterMax optimizes toolpath for milling and turning. We take all those short line segments and convert them into arcs in the G17, G18, and G19 planes. Shorten and optimize your G-code file by up to 98%. Preview toolpaths through wireframe simulation. Read existing G-code with backplotting, and convert your toolpath to DXF. TextCam. Engrave any Windows font, even those purchased online. Create text in any direction, wrapped around an arc, scaled, mirrored, vertical, and more. Engrave 2D images. Export an EZCAM file or DXF. Combine this package with another milling product, and you can machine over 3D surfaces and create bosses and pockets, even on a 4th axis. We support the following machines: knee mills, 2-axis or 3-axis capability, routers, CNC machining centers, 2-axis through 5-axis. Our 4-axis contains indexing and full wrapping. As far as our 5-axis, we support positioning, and you must inquire about a post-processor in advance. Turn and turn mill. Turn, any 2-axis machine, including turning centers. Features include gang tooling, 2 turrets, tool posts, and tool changers. Our turn mill multi-axis includes rotary, sub-spindles, Y-axis, milling tools, and 2 turrets. Plasma and laser. These machines are great candidates for our affordable EZ-Mill Express. Wire EDM, 2-axis and 4-axis. Communication. Files can be transferred to these machines using RS-232, PCM-CIA, floppy, USB, and Ethernet. Extensions can be in any format: .txt for FANUC, .eia for Mazak, .min for Akuma, and so on. A Libre. A Libre is used to create solid models, and with EZCAM's integration, any changes to a solid model, your toolpaths can be updated automatically. The benefit of a solid model is that EZCAM will add automation to your programming. EZCAM. EZCAM can create geometry in all products to apply your toolpath. In EasyMill Pro, you can even build surfaces. The benefit to geometry is all it takes is one piece and you can create a complete program. No solids required. In this section, we cover all the import options available in a Libre and EZCAM products. You might want to pause the video. There are many file types to choose from. TeamViewer. TeamViewer is where PC-to-PC sharing takes place. Real-time support is available when you call our office. While we are on the phone, launching TeamViewer is possible right inside of EZCAM under the Help menu called Quick Support. Easy Show. Easy Show videos are available on our website and under the New Documentation and Videos tab found on the Welcome page after you launch EZCAM. Request a custom video. A video on any topic that is not covered, it will be on its way. And to make it more meaningful to you, we create custom videos for your project. Every product has a wizard to offer. These wizards contain the least amount of information to create a complete program and outperform any CAN cycle on your machine. Common language is used to keep programming simple. It may appear to be simple enough, but remember, there is plenty of control in the background. One-year support and maintenance. These are included with any purchase. Support and maintenance are free and intended to be applied to the current version so we can keep our focus on your recent investment. Post-processors. All post-processors and the editing you need are included with your purchase. Post-editors are available if you're up for the challenge. There are two types of post-processor formats: WinBasic and EZCAM's native. WinBasic is more complex and has advanced features used by our team, whereas EZCAM's native format is easy enough for our customers to modify on their own. To own EZCAM, you can do so on our website or by calling our office. This is a one-time purchase with the option to upgrade each year to keep up with the times. Subscriptions are not as popular as owning, but a subscription is certainly another option. Please call our office to make proper arrangements. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy your experience with EZCAM, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Let EZCAM run your machine for you.